Um, Real quick little unboxing of a surprise. I know it's not a watch video, but it is an unboxing, and it's an unboxing of a jujitsu gi here from Shoyoroll. Um, I don't know what's in this box. Why I don't know is because it was a mystery box that they had for Black Friday as a sale. So I just put my size in, and I'm hoping that they sent me something that's not stupid, not dumb looking. So you're gonna unbox it with me. Let's see how this works. I know how it's gonna work. Let's see what it looks like. Because I'm thinking it's probably gonna be something really stupidly ugly. Maybe not. So I don't know. Let's look at my face. My box is opening. All right, so it's black. Diamond leaf. Hopefully it's not the one that I think it is. Because if it is, it's going to be a little bit annoying, but let me get rid of the box. Inside here, Shoyoroll watch. Sorry about that. Come back, camera. It's, I think, the one that I didn't want, that I already have a dislike from them. Yep. It's this piece of shit. It's a Wazair black one, which I hate. Fuck.